Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Ruby Red. For today's video, I have teamed up with a company called Nutree Professionals to try out their Amazon list Keratin smoothing hair treatment. Amazon list is an anti-frizz treatment system that has the power to regenerate the hair fiber due to the hydrolyzed keratin as well as the antioxidant properties of acai and cocoa that are found in this product. Acai and cocoa are natural extracts that are found in the Amazon that help to penetrate the cuticle, rebuild the structure, hydrate, and restore damaged hair, along with providing the maximum amount of brightness for up to 4 months. Some benefits of the Amazon list keratin system include giving you a more natural straight hair. It helps to reduce the blow drying time, as well as providing shine and maximum softness. Before I jump into the 3-step system, I did get a discount code for you guys, my followers. If you use the code RubyRed, you will get 15% off on the Nutree Professionals website. Of course, I'll leave a link to it in the caption below, but you can use this 15% off of anything on their website, so be sure to check that out. Now let's jump in and I'll show you each step in this Amazon list keratin hair smoothing treatment. So here's what the Amazon list kit looks like. The first step is the anti-residue shampoo, and it works by opening up the cuticle, preparing the hair for absorption of the keratin. It also provides a deep cleaning by removing the residue of the products accumulated in the hair fiber, and it leaves the hair extremely clean. So the first step in using this treatment is to wash the hair with this anti-residue shampoo. You obviously massage it into your hair. You have to leave it on for 5 minutes. Rinse and repeat if necessary if you have virgin hair or hair that is resistant. The second step is to use a hairdryer and your hands to dry your hair to about 85% dry, so it should still be a little bit damp. And then you section the hair into 6 equal parts with hair clips, or I use some mini hair ties. I was struggling a little bit to get my hair into the 6 sections, but once I got it, it was pretty easy. The second part of the kit is the Brazilian smoothing treatment. It's super easy to apply and you get the best of both worlds. It's a strong keratin that provides results and it also has fewer fumes and smell than traditional keratin treatments. So with each of these 6 sections, you will split each section in half and apply the product on the upper and lower parts of the section, and then use a fine tooth comb to comb the entire section from the roots to the ends. You basically just want to make sure that the whole length of the hair is covered by the product, but try not to oversaturate your hair. I'd say I probably did use a lot more product than normal because I do have a lot of hair and it is thick. So I used probably more product than the average would, but that's what it took to cover all of my hair. So once your whole head is covered in the Brazilian smoothing treatment, the next step, step 4, is to use a hairdryer set to cold air and dry the sections completely without brushing. So you're just going to use your hands and the cool setting on a hairdryer until your hair is completely dry, and repeat on all sides of the section until this is done. Step 5, now that your hair is completely dry, it is time to flat iron the hair. The instructions say to flat iron the hair about 8 to 10 times from the root to the middle of your hair, and then about 4 to 6 times onto the ends. Your flat iron temperature should range between 380 and 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Mine is set to about 420 degrees. This part did take a little bit longer because I have so much hair and I needed to go over each section between 8 and 10 times for the top half and 4 to 6 times for the bottom half. The last part of the kit is the intensive repair mask, and it serves as a closing step in the Brazilian reconstruction procedure. The intensive repair mask also provides maximum hydration and softness to the hair. The next step is step 6. Rinse out your hair and apply the intensive repair mask and work it through your hair and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Once the 3 to 5 minutes is up, you're going to rinse your hair again. And then the last step in this process is to blow dry your hair as you normally would. So I would say the overall process did take quite a long time, but that's because I have so much hair. It is so thick. And to apply all of these products onto my hair did take a much longer time, along with straightening, flat ironing my hair. I think it It just took a little bit longer for me since I do have a lot more hair than most do. But as you can see the results, this is my hair before and after. It is definitely a lot less frizzy, a lot smoother, and my hair has stayed straight throughout the last couple of days since using this product. Even now when I shower and blow dry my hair, I see a lot less frizz. My hair is a lot more naturally straight, which I'm not used to. As you can see in the before picture, my hair is used to being a lot more wavy. So it's nice to see that my hair is more naturally straight, which is exactly what I wanted. I'm very pleased with the results. I actually think that the process, even though it is long, it is definitely worth it. And I can't wait to see how long it lasts for me because this is supposed to last up to 4 months. Thank you guys so much for watching my Nutree Professionals Amazon list video. Please be sure to comment and let me know what you thought. Also, don't forget to use my discount code RUBYRED for 15% off on Nutree Professionals website. The link is in the caption. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you can be part of my notification gang. Thank you guys so much for watching.